in Google, search for Vidiq, then go to Vidiq. Here, click extension, click on install Chrome extension. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Here, so the extension is also known as Vidiq Vision for YouTube. Press add to Chrome. It will ask you if you want to do that. Yes, press add extension. It's then loaded. Automatically, it will tell you it's been added. You can close that. Then we're going to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, click on the extension symbol. You will see that it tells you have Vidiq Vision for YouTube. Pin it so that it is visible in the taskbar here. And we need to make sure that it is also available in an incognito window. If I go right now in incognito window and I go to YouTube, you will see that it's not available. So we need to correct this. Go back to your normal YouTube window, press on the extension, go to manage extension. Here you will find your Vidiq YouTube for Vision. Vidiq Vision for YouTube. Press details, scroll down, and you have an option here, allow in incognito mode. Toggle the switch. You can close that. Go back to your incognito mode and it will appear here. So now let's see if it's working. Let's do a google.ai search. You can see that there is nothing. Let's click on this one.
So this week,
there is nothing here Vidiq related. So you need to connect your Vidiq account. You will need to sign for a free Vidiq account. If I click here on the Vidiq symbol, it will ask you to log in. So I'm going to log into my account and you will see the difference.
So this week, Google makes quite a
And you can see I have logged in my account and it's showing me the famous Vidiq graph. If I go back to, and remember, I'm in an incognito mode. If I go back here and I put Google AI again, you will see that you're starting to get the data that you're looking for. So we've got it in an incognito window. Let's try a normal YouTube window. Let's go back to this one. I'm just going to refresh it. And here we go. Vidiq is publishing data. And that's how you do it.